Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shares Guitar, and we'll be learning the beginner's tutorial for guitarists. So the first video, this is the first new series that I've begun, and I'm going to take you through the right steps so that you'll be able to pick up as a new guitarist. So in the first tutorial, our first tutorial is to look at the music basics. We want to understand how the guitar operates, and the first question that you might ask is that how different is it from any other instrument? When you take the keyboard, you see the white keys and the black keys. From one end to the other, you can count a series of 12 notes that keeps on repeating. 12 notes. Should I say 12 notes? Yeah, 12 notes that keeps on repeating. So for instance, if I start from here, I have my C on this note, I have C sharp, I have D, I have E, D sharp or E flat, E, F, G, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, then back to C. So I think I counted to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 before we start all over again. So the keys are from A to G when you're arranging it in an alphabetical order. So A to G. All other keys have almost all of them have the sharp. So in this case, we have moving from C to the half step. So moving from one fret to the other. When you look at the guitar, let me explain what the fret is. You see these divisions that you have here. That's what we call the frets. So moving from one to the other, the frets immediately after the first one is the second fret. So the movement between two frets that are close to each other is a half step. When I jump a fret, it's a whole step. So one from C to C sharp is a half step. So C, C sharp, and this C sharp can also be named as D flat because it comes before D, or whatever that comes before D is called D flat. So C, C sharp, D, D sharp, or E flat. Usually people prefer to call it D flat. E flat, sorry. So this is E flat, this is E, this is F, this is F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, B, then to C. You realize that when I go to E, I went to F, and when I go to B, I went to C. So B, E and B on the keyboard, when you look at the black and the white keys, E is a white key and F is also a white key. You see that E and F are close to each other, but usually you see from C to C sharp the black notes. C is the white, C sharp is the black note. That means there's a sharp for C. When you look at the B, there's no sharp for E, there's no sharp for B. So that's it for the overview of how the guitar is. So before you start learning the guitar, you need to know the keys that come around music, and when you take your guitar, how are you going to tune it? So I'll take you through those videos, those tutorials, and watch out for it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.